guys, and welcome back to my channel. What?
I'm not looking at you.
You are.
I'm just watching you, okay?
Alright, so today is my last day being 20 years old. My birthday is tomorrow. Would say I'm super excited, but we're getting there.
Tell the universe.
The what?
I'm gonna have a good birthday regardless.
I'm gonna have a good birthday regardless. So yeah, today, like I said, it's my last day being 20. My birthday is April 12th, which is tomorrow. Don't know when I might upload this vlog, but my birthday's tomorrow and I'm super excited nonetheless. My sister got my nails done for me this morning. A quick little nail cam. It's super cute. Ooh, still got makeup on it. See, I got my nails done, got my toes done. Feeling kind of good, you know? Thank you, Dee.
You're welcome, Lacey.
Thank you, I needed it. So yeah, now I'm about to just pack up my stuff because I just decided to take some time to myself and just have some me time, continue pampering myself. So right now I'm gonna pack up a bag because I have a place to stay at in Atlanta for the weekend. So let's pack a bag and then go check in there. The check-in time was at 4 o'clock and it's 4 o'clock right now. So I'm gonna try to hurry up and get there before traffic hits and try to enjoy some time at the place before the sun goes down. So I gotta figure out what outfit I'm wearing. I'm probably just gonna pack everything because that's just what we do. But yeah, I just wanted to check in with you guys. Please be sure to, oh, it's getting hot in here. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to see more video content from me and let me know what you guys want to see from me. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and try to get a bag packed and head on this road so that I can go. So I will see y'all in a minute. Alright, you guys, so finally made it to my place for the weekend. I wanted to just give you guys a little glimpse of my little place I'm gonna be staying at. Now keep in mind, this is just for like a me thing. As me turning 21, I kind of want to feel more comfortable. But with me turning 21, I kind of want to feel more comfortable with just being by myself and loving myself. That's why today I'm trying to just pamper myself, you know what I'm saying? And just be okay with being by myself. So I got this place to just kind of zen out, meditate, relax, go out if I want to, be on my own time. Nobody here to irritate me, nobody here to be on their time, all this stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a little tour of my little place for the weekend. So, okay, so this is the view that you see when you first walk in. You have this hallway. And then to the right, it is this bathroom. Let's see. Woo. Yeah, really good lighting. So tomorrow I'll probably do like a get ready with me video while I'm doing my hair and makeup for my birthday and stuff like that. So stay tuned for that video, but let's keep going with this tour. I think it's actually really good right here. I need to take some pictures. But yeah, this is the bathroom. And then back to the hallway, you have like the washer and dryer in this part right here. And then to the right again, there's no light in here. Okay, so they don't have a ceiling light, so it's kind of dark, but this is what the bedroom looks like. And then here is a closet, so that is that. And then back here we have the living room and kitchen. It's super chic, super nice as far as the decor. The size is perfect for just me. And yeah, I just really like the decor accents. This chair is everything. Here is a view of the kitchen, really nice, really nice, really nice. And then we have this patio furniture, and then you overlook of the city. This billboard sign, but this is the city. This right here is the Mercedes-Benz Stadium right there. So yeah, I'm really just gonna be chilling, relaxing. Oh, couldn't wait to sit in this chair. But yeah, I'm really just gonna be chilling and relaxing. I'm just trying to enjoy my last few moments being 20 and transitioning into being 21 years old. I tried to do a half up, half down look because I was tired of my hair being all up in my face, but I think I'm gonna put my hair back down, honestly. I don't know. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and enjoy me a bottle of rosé because baby girl can't wait till 21, and let's be honest, this is not my first drink. So shout out to my sister for getting me this bottle of rosé, and also shout out to her for taking care of my nails. All right, so let me get me a glass. Quick story time, you guys, quick story time. When I arrived to this Airbnb, literally it was like somebody, sorry you guys, all these text messages. Quick story time before housekeeping shows up. So when I arrived to this Airbnb, it looked so nice online and I was super excited, but when I came, it was it was trash everywhere. It was like somebody was still staying here, so I was like confused. Like the bed wasn't made. It was like they just like hopped out of bed, hopped out the bed and like ran out. There was like food. I saw cookout cups and stuff like that, and I was just like, excuse me, ma'am. Okay. But yeah, that's that. So now so the lady was like, I'll refund you $40, please go grab lunch or something. It should take her like an hour to clean. And I was like, well, I just got here, like I just drove an hour here and it was hot, so I'm not really trying to leave right now. So plus, besides that, I know I was preaching about being by myself, but it takes some baby steps. So although I'm staying here by myself, I'm gonna meet with one of my good friends, Lexi, for dinner. We were gonna meet at this rooftop sushi place in Midtown, but it's a little bit too far from where she's at, so I'm gonna try to find a good medium. So let's call her and see what she might be in the mood for.
Bond places, you just know all these nice places in Atlanta like have these weird ass menus, like.
Yes, I need pictures. By the way, you guys, my hair is from Romaine Hair Collection. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and try to get ready before housekeeping shows up so that they could clean up, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that, take y'all with me, and hopefully I can find the outfit real quick. All right, so hey guys, I'm tipsy, which is great because I was going through some things. So housekeeping just left. They just cleaned up the apartment, so it's all nice and clean now. It smells so fresh. This is what I should have walked into. Like, they folded the things all nice. So yes, and guys, this is where I'm at with my cup. So yes, I have had a few drinks, but that's okay because I'm about to get myself ready to meet Lexi for dinner. I have this half up, half down look. I'm trying to decide, do I want to keep it or what? What do you guys think? I don't know. I can't really tell. I did not. Like, y'all, I did not bring like my flat iron or nothing. So really, I might have to like, I don't know if I should just like do a little something back. Alright, so that is that. Final look. Let's get some glam time, honey, shall we? Hold on, let me make sure that my front wasn't looking crazy. So yes, this is hair from Ramen Hair Collection. Y'all already know. So I have hair from Ramen Hair Collection. I'm wearing the Pretty Please lashes since, you know, it's my birthday weekend. So we're wearing Pretty Please on the eyes, and then we are also wearing a two-piece set from my brand as well. So take y'all out to the hallway. I'm sure the sun, oh, the sun is still kind of out. Okay, so hey guys, I'm still low-key a little bit tipsy. Got my hot fries for my ride, and I'm gonna go meet Lexi to go get some food. So yeah, we're gonna eat some good food, and I'm gonna try to make it. Make it there. So see y'all when I get to the restaurant. It's Lexia, so cute. Okay guys, so I made it back to my place. I decided not to vlog where we were in the hookah lounge because it's like, why? But yeah, have fun. Kind of just a little bit. I don't know how I'm feeling right now. I smoked hella hookah. We had drinks and stuff like that. So it is now like 12:15. Just made it back to the place, and it is my birthday. I'm so excited. All right, so cheers to being 21. Finally, cheers. I just really pray for more blessings, more success. I pray that I meet some new genuine people to come into my life. I pray for better friendships, better overall relationships, whether it's work relationships, you know, like boyfriend relationships, just anything. I'm just praying for just a wonderful year, you guys. I have been through a lot, to say the least. But yeah, I've been through a lot, to say the least, and I'm just looking forward to what this new year has planned for me. I'm looking forward to whatever God has planned and in store for me. And I'm just praying for more blessings, more money, more happiness and success. So cheers to that. Oh, you guys, being on this earth for 21 years is a whole blessing. Like, let me just say that so many people, you know, have not made it to this point in their life. So many people wish, you know, that things were different in their life at this point. And I'm honestly so blessed for everything that I have. I'm so blessed for everything that I have gone through and all the lessons that I have learned through my childhood and now being an adult, for real. Like, life kind of comes at you fast, like especially after you graduate and stuff. Life comes at you kind of fast, and you know, no matter what you go through in your journey of life, you just always have to stay strong. Know that God will never put you through anything that He doesn't think that you can handle. And there will always be light at the end of the tunnel. Like, you might think things are just gonna come crashing down at some point, but He's literally preparing you for whatever hurricane might come. Cheers to that. I'm really not sure what I have planned for tomorrow. I think I'm gonna wake up, have me another glass of wine, wake up, have me another glass of wine, probably go out to brunch, probably chill kind of by the pool for a little bit, go get a massage, go out for lunch, I don't know, go just really treat myself. Like, what better time to treat yourself than your birthday? Like, really, I'm just looking forward to having some good food all day. Like, I ate really good today. I'm about to warm up I'm about to take off my makeup and warm up my leftovers, so yeah. Actually, I'm about to go warm up my leftovers right now, so I'll be right back, you guys. I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so I just ate some more of my food and I just decided to wipe off my makeup. I'm so tired, you guys. I'm super tired. Mike, anything you want to say to the vlog?
Say what?
I said, is there anything you want to say to the vlog?
Don't drink and drive.
Y'all, this nigga ain't even tell me happy birthday yet.
Y'all tell my nigga happy birthday.
You ain't even tell me happy birthday.
If they tell you, I'm gonna tell you in person.
Anyways, alright, you guys. I'm about to get ready to hit the sheets. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and I'll see you in my next video.